So what is up YouTube? It's been a while since I made my last coding video, so I thought I'd update you guys on what I'm doing now. So initially I was just doing Udemy and Coursera courses, and I actually finished one Coursera course, and I'm doing a Python course currently on Udemy. But I actually started my intro to programming course in UCSD. So I'm actually doing more of that material than the Udemy course. And this is because though I learned a lot through the online courses, I found that in an actual classroom environment, I've been learning a lot more in a shorter amount of time. So right now I am taking an intro to programming course. So I'm basically relearning everything I've done so far previously. So like loops, conditional statements, variables, etc. And so this class ends in March, and then my next class will be like another CS class, which is an intro to Java and object-oriented programming. So what I understood is I'm going to continue doing the online courses and try to learn as much as possible, but I'll also try to focus more on my classroom learning. And I may also do community college courses apart from my CS class at UCSD, because again, I found that I might learn more in a classroom setting versus like an online course. So in the summer, I might just do CC classes or another UCSD CS class. Now, I've also done my first project in CS, so I've basically done a basic quiz, which was a part of the classroom assignment. And here I made like a quiz where it asked 6 questions, and it asks the user what they think the answer is. And then if the user gets the answer right, then their score increases by 1. However, if they don't get it right, then their score stays the same. And so here I used the concepts of loops and conditional statements, and I felt like though this was a simple project, I kind of cemented my understanding with these concepts. Now, I also extended my timeline. Now, initially, I thought I'd start doing like LeetCode questions and projects by March, but now my goal is by summer because I haven't learned as much as I wanted to do so. Like I started trying to do LeetCode questions, but I still found myself confused. So I think I need a little more practice in terms of the actual language and more projects. And so I'm hoping to do 2 to 3 projects by summer and also be able to solve like easier medium LeetCode questions. So by the next internship application cycle, I'll have a good resume and I'll have a good chance of actually getting one. Now I'll continue to do the online course as I said previously, but I'll be spending a lot less time on it, I think. And I'll try to spend more on the actual like content. So either I'll follow my classroom or I'll read ahead and follow an actual textbook, because I found that's what helps me learn rather than just like watching videos, because I might not be actively engaged with that content. If you guys did enjoy the video, please do leave a like and subscribe, and also comment down below what videos you'd like to see, and thank you for watching.